Jim Hoberman wrote an article in the Village Voice about Yiddish films. It's a wonderful article. I don't know if you know who Jim Hoberman is, but he curated a series of Yiddish films at MoMA. So Arlene said, well, why don't we get to see these films? So I organized the first New York Yiddish Film Festival in 1972. And it was sponsored by the SAJ, YIVO, the Jewish Museum, the American Jewish Congress, the Brandeis Film Thing, and the Workmen's Circle. And it was the first New York Yiddish Film Festival in '72 and the second in '73. The Yiddish program it was supported and I was encouraged by the Workmen's Circle. Yossel Malotic, right, was very much interested in having Yiddish programs, and so we owe a lot to him for this whole effort. So both Yiddish film festivals are an incredible success. I'll never forget, because Arlene's cousin is married to Hillel Halkin. You know who Hillel Halkin is, right? And Hillel Halkin had just made Aliyah, and we knew him to Israel, and he came back, and I told him what we were doing. And he said, what are you doing? There'll probably be 10 old men, right? And the fact is, we filled the auditorium. What was it the Kaufman Auditorium at the 92nd Street, right? 900 people came to see these films. It was really quite remarkable.